How's she going over there?
Going pretty good. Nice and toasty in here.
You guys getting hits?
Yeah, we're getting some stuff. It's on the phone.
Do what?
It's on the phone.
Oh, okay. I haven't got a single thing. Haven't seen nothing on my Finder. Garbage.
You're in the wrong spot.
But I had some perch swimming around, but they just left. But I haven't seen a thing in a while now.
It's interesting because you're using worms.
Yeah, I know. My worm should be... Well, actually, I had a huge lure on like 15 minutes ago. Looking for that monster pike. Didn't come by.
Just going all in on the pike.
Yeah, I had one rod hooked up with... It was a rainbow trout. Metal rainbow trout with a spinner on it. Bouncing her, and nothing happened.
That's interesting.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna head out in a minute, actually.
Oh yeah?
I'm freezing in this hut, bro. My toes?
What?
Oh yeah, bro. My hut
It's like
is...
15 degrees in there.
Buddy, I got freaking frost on the inside of my hut right now. I'm jigging right now, nothing looking at it, so I think the bite over here is turned off, buddy.
Was it on though?
What's what on?
Maybe it wasn't never on.
What?
The bite.
Oh, the bite was never on, bro. I had 5 fish going after my lure at one point, bringing it up and down. They followed it for like at least a minute, and then they just left. They're like, yeah, we don't want it.
Maybe it was too big.
It was a jig head and a worm, buddy.
Yeah, too big.
Too big. I don't think I could get much smaller than what I had.
Use like a size 15 bait hook.
Buddy, the hook I was using was smaller than a fingernail. Oh! I'm about to get bit. Oh my god, I had a bite, bro! No fucking way! Do I have him? Oh my god, I got a fish! I got a fish! Oh my god! A walleye! I got a walleye! Woo! That's what I'm talking about! That's what I'm talking about! About freaking time, buddy! Talking about leaving.
Just when I just convinced you to stay.
Buddy, I'm talking about leaving and I'm getting bit on walleyes.
This is when it starts up, man.
Buddy, I can't believe it. On the phone with Doyle. Getting bit. There she is. Nice walleye right there, buddy. Alright, I got... What?
25, 26, 28.
No, he's not that big. I'd say probably 15. 15 incher. I'll take her though. Slow morning. Oh. There she is. First fish of the day. Good old little walleye. Oh, you still there, buddy?
Yeah.
I can't believe it, buddy. I'm freaking.